Well, recent breaking news coming in at this hour. This is in context of the Indigo crisis. Important to understand that in the latest, the Civil Aviation Ministry has in fact taken action. It's important to understand that the Civil Aviation Ministry has invoked regulatory powers. This is in order to ensure that there is airfare regulation. Remember that the airfare had shot up right after the Indigo crisis had started, and NDTV repeatedly had flagged in fact that the airfares had in fact increased tremendously. Well, on this, you have my colleague Vishnu Shom joining us on the broadcast. Vishnu, there clearly is NDTV impact given the fact that, the government has talked about, regulating the airfares. In the past 24 hours, we have seen fares skyrocket. In a more practical sense, help us understand what the immediate implications of this would be.
Well, the situation got fairly crazy as a result of the Indigo crisis, with airlines across the country, the remaining airlines actually inflating airfares. They do this on the basis of the argument that this is a free market economy, which is correct. I am actually surprised that the government has taken the step using what it says are powers, because in the past we've seen the government fairly reluctant to do this. But I think there is a sense that there is predatory pricing which is now taking place, because the number of seats which are available have gone down sharply because of the Indigo crisis, and therefore seats on other airlines are being priced up. But the fares that we saw, 45,000 rupees, 35,000 rupees, etc. on one-way flights between sectors in India were completely unreasonable, irrational, and therefore the government has, I would suggest, rather belatedly moved in. They should perhaps have done this yesterday, because it was very evident almost 24 hours back that this is something which would likely take place. For those passengers who've actually availed of the seats at the higher prices, there's nothing much that can be done. They've already spent for those tickets. But going forward, I think the government wants to ensure that passengers in this country aren't inconvenienced by absurd prices because of the reduction in number of seats on various sectors because of Indigo and its crisis presently.
Right, absolutely, Vishnu. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us. Well, tracking more breaking news coming in at this hour. This is also in context of the Indigo crisis. Important to understand that a JDU leader has in fact slammed Indigo and the regulatory body. Important to understand that KC Tyagi has said in High Court that Indigo and the DGCA are responsible for the crisis. In the latest update tracking, a JDU leader, KC Tyagi, has in fact slammed Indigo as well as DGCA, citing the two as responsible for the crisis. He has in fact made some serious allegations regarding the Indigo crisis in High Court, that the Indigo management and the DGCA are responsible for the crisis. The collusion between DGCA officials and these airlines is the reason why people are facing so many difficulties. In fact, NDTV exclusively spoke to KC Tyagi. Listen in to the conversation.
2 दिनों से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि इंडिगो एयरलाइंस जो भारत की सबसे बड़ी एयरलाइन है, उसके कई फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो रहे हैं। लोगों को इतनी परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। इसके लिए किसको जिम्मेदार मानते हैं आप त्यागी?
इंडिगो प्रबंधन को और डीजीसीए को। जब 2004 में हाई कोर्ट का फैसला आ चुका था, उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्यों नहीं इंडिगो प्रबंधन ने किया? और जब इंडिगो प्रबंधन हाई कोर्ट के भी फैसलों की अवहेलना कर रहा था, डीजीसीए ने क्या कार्रवाई की? डीजीसीए के अधिकारी बड़े जो हाउसेज हैं उनके दबाव में और उनसे मिली भगत करके भारत का जो आम आदमी है उसके लिए परेशानी भी पैदा कर रहे हैं। और आज टिकटों की जो काला बाजारी हुई है, इसके लिए ये सब लोग जिम्मेदार हैं। इनके विरुद्ध कार्रवाई होगी।
मिली भगत मतलब डीजीसीए और एयरलाइन कंपनियां कह रहे हैं?
जो बड़े स्वामित्व वाली एयरलाइंस हैं उनके प्रति डीजीसीए का सॉफ्ट एटीट्यूड रहता है फॉर सर्टेन एंड वेरियस रीजन।